True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, guys. So I'm in the St. Elizabeth area. I'm place I'm calling him Santa Cruz. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself and I wanna watch from. Yeah, and abroad you can big up on yourself. On the tour guide this. If you don't want to know Jamaica. Yeah, man. So I'm giving a tour. I make a right turn right at. You can see the sign, welcome. See the sign right here, so. Welcome to Beadle's Heights. Yeah, man. Unity in love. Check out here, see what's going on up here. I know a long time, a lot of people don't see them neighborhood overseas and maybe they want to update. So I give them an update in this area. So you all can see what's going on here in the Beadle's Heights. You can get a nice view over in the Santa Cruz town area. Can see a lot of water running, in this area from Melissa. Yeah, man, so big up anyone I watch from the people. If you know this area or you live in this area, leave in the comment section where you're watching from. I would truly appreciate it. Yes, man. So I'm gonna make a left turn. Go through my driver. Wow, I see where rooftop come off up here too. A lot of people feeling it after Hurricane Melissa. We have put some places on the map, you know. We can cross it right here. Nobody cannot cross it. But anyway, Fire Reid cross it today. Show me people them want to go on. Yeah, some beautiful house up here, no man. Some beautiful houses up here. You see that big house there, you can see say some my shingles them blow off and thing. Look at this, my people who wanna live in this area. Leave in the comment section. So when you're in the Beadle's Heights area, it's about 6 minutes drive to Santa Cruz town area. And if I see any property for sale up here, I will all post it on my channel and let you all know what's taking place. A lot of people want property to buy. Well, I don't see any as yet. man, when they're right here up on the hill, you get a nice view over into the Santa Cruz town area. Very lovely view, guys. What? Car don't have good brake, you know, master. If your car don't have good brake, don't come on this hill. Just giving you some update on what's taking place in this area. So thank you guys for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes. Fire Reid.